So, what's wrong with this introduction? Let's find out. Before I can show you the real problems with that introduction, let's see how my friend Lazy Dory approached this question. Lazy Dory never took time to read the question carefully. When he skimmed the question, he guessed it was about education, so he wrote something like this. Then he wanted to impress the examiner with his lexis. He paraphrased every single word, and he ended up with something like this. Finally, he hadn't had a plan before writing, so he just had a generic thesis statement like, "It's not fair to say he's a bad writer without looking at his body paragraphs and conclusion, but I cannot imagine he will get anything higher than 6.5 in writing with his introduction. Why?" Long story short, don't skim the question, don't paraphrase everything, and don't write a generic statement that you think can fit every question. So, back to the introduction. Let's see how another friend of mine, Brainy Dory, approached this question. Firstly, he read the question and realized it was about education. But he didn't stop there. Paying more attention, he found out it was not about education in general, but language education at schools. Not nursery, not universities, but schools. So, he introduced the general topic with a focus like this. He also knew it was impossible to paraphrase everything with synonyms. Therefore, instead of making up phrases, he just used the words in the introduction, which was just fine. Then, he made a thesis statement. But he wanted to save the details and arguments for the conclusion, so he wrote something like this. This statement tells reader what his position is, but it doesn't say too much. It does the trick. Now, you have seen the difference between a bad introduction and a good one. Let's do some practice, and I will summarize what you should do to write a good introduction afterwards.